Here's some good news. When it comes to paid online writing, there are a lot of options. Whatever your interests or expertise, there are plenty of opportunities for you to earn some extra money. In this video, I will reveal the top 7 ways to make money writing articles online. Stay tuned to the end.
Top 7 ways to make money writing online in 2021.
Number 1. Start your own blog. Number 2. Publish an ebook. Number 3. Write scripts for online video creators. Number 4. Create web content for local businesses. Number 5. Contribute articles to online magazine. Number 6. Translate and transcribe content for clients. Number 7. Submit your short stories to online website.